to China. From Beijing in just a moment, but a senior U.S. defense official says the Pentagon is confident this surveillance balloon belongs to China. The U.S. has been tracking it for a few days and says it entered Montana via Canada. We've been hearing that it does not pose a serious risk, but it is traveling near sensitive sites. And people living in the Billings, Montana area definitely noticed something strange in the sky. Listen to this.
There's the moon. Right. And then there's that. What planet is that?
Okay, that's the moon. It's a little fuzzy out here, and it's a kind of a cruddy phone, but it's slightly overcast. Well, what the heck is that? That's not the sun, and according to my little planet guide, it's not a planet. What the heck is that?